is a step-by-step guide to create a playlist of songs that is right for your voice and that will also help you to expand your vocal range. Are you ready? Remember to maintain a proper technique and vocal health while practicing. Don't push beyond what you cannot do. Make sure that while you're singing the songs on your playlist, you focus on good posture, on good breath support, and good vocal placement, that you will have a healthy and effective singing experience. When you start to pick a song that is right for your voice, start with songs that are simple. Don't go to the songs that are too high for you, that are way above your range. If you want to know how to find your range, check this video where I did a step-by-step guide on how to find your range and also how to expand your range. Now, you need to pick songs starting from very simple and be picking them small by small before you get to the one that is difficult. And when you get those songs, don't imitate the singer, just sing along with it and enjoy the flow of that song. You can even start by singing a key slightly above the original key. First things first, you should know how to sing in the original key, and then you take it slightly above, and then gradually you take it slightly above, 2 steps above, and then once you are able to learn at least 2 to 3 steps above, you go back to the original key and you will see that you'll be able to sing that song seamlessly and your range will expand using that playlist. So you can take your time out. First, know your vocal range and then take your time and pick songs that are slightly out of your vocal range but not too far away from your vocal range, and use this trick to be able to get into them. It may take you a while to do it, but be patient with your voice. Don't be hard on yourself or go straight to singing that high note that your voice cannot even do, or that low note that your voice cannot even. If you're a soprano, you may think of listening to Queen of the Night to explore the upper range. Or you can practice singing along with Somewhere Over the Rainbow so that you can be able to work on your mid-range. For mezzo-sopranos, you can check out Hallelujah, Leonard Cohen, so that you can be able to explore your vocal range. You can also try out I Will Always Love You by Whitney Houston's version so that you can be able to work on your mid-range control. Tenors, you can try out Nessun Dorma to explore your vocal range. You can practice singing along with Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis to explore your mid-range control. As you can try out Oh Fortuna to help explore your vocal range. And you can sing along with Old Man River to be able to work on your mid-range control. These are just a sample of creating a playlist that will help you to expand your range. That go into yourself, bring out a sheet of paper and look out for songs that slightly are above what you can do. But make sure that they are not too far away, and then take them a step by step so that you can be able to explore that song. And then take a song that will also help your mid-range control. So by picking songs like this, you'll be able to create a playlist of songs that you will learn or that you start learning that will help you to expand your vocal range. And I bet you once you're able to learn these songs, you will see that you'll be able to sing it confidently and happily, and you'll find out that your vocal range has expanded. I can't wait to hear how this worked for you. So go try it out and come back here and comment and tell me how it worked out for you. If you want to learn how to choose and how to use a playlist to expand your vocal range, then you need to check this next video. Okay, I need you to keep practicing, keep exploring your voice and exploring the new possibilities that your voice can do. Don't forget to subscribe, like,